Hello everyone, welcome to this session of Engineering Graphics and Design. Myself, Vibal Saloth from LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. In this session, we are going to discuss diagonal scale. We know that there are two types of this scale, plane scale and diagonal scale. Diagonal scale is used to show the relationship between three consecutive units. In these three units, one is bigger unit, second is smaller unit, and third one is the smallest unit. If we want to measure the dimension with accuracy of 2 decimal points, then diagonal scale can be used. For this type of scale also, you require to remember the formulas to find out the representative fraction. And it is given by ratio of dimension of the object to the actual size of the object, or it is less ratio of length of the drawing to the actual length of the object, or square root of area of drawing to the actual area, or cubic root of volume as per drawing to the actual volume of the object. Second formula is to find out the actual length of the scale. That is, length of scale is equal to RF into maximum length to be measured. So these are the two formulas which is also required to remember in case of diagonal scale. The relation between units, we must be familiar with the relation between the units. 1 kilometer equal to 10 hectometer, 1 hectometer equal to 10 decameters, 1 decameter equal to 10 meters, 1 meter equal to 10 decimeters, 1 decimeter equal to 10 centimeter, 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter, 1 yard equal to 3 feet, and 1 foot equal to 12 inches. 3 units can be given any, it may be 3 units. So if we know the relation between the units, then we can prepare the diagonal scale. In this session, we are going to discuss the diagonal scale example in which these units are going to be used: yard, foot and inch. Let's see the given data. Construct a diagonal scale of RF equal to 1 by 36 showing yard, foot and inches and long enough to measure up to 5 yards. Show 3 yards, 2 feet and 9 inches on it. So first of all, try to identify the given data. RF is given clearly. It is equal to 1 by 36. 3 units are 3 units are yard, foot and inch. From these 3 units, biggest unit is yard, smaller unit is foot and smallest unit is inch. Now the relation between these units are 1 yard equal to 3 feet and 1 foot equal to 12 inches. Maximum length to be measured is given as 5 yards. So it is first part of the drawing. In second part, we have to show this dimension 3 yards, 2 feet and 9 inches on this scale. As RF is directly given, now we need to find out the actual length of the scale. By formula, actual length of scale is equal to 1 by 36 into maximum length to be measured. So is equal to 1 by 36 into maximum length is 5 yards, so multiply by 5 yards. Now we have to convert it into each centimeter or millimeter. 1 yard equal to 3 feet, so multiply by 3 feet. So we get the answer in feet. And 1 foot equal to 12 inches. So if you multiply by 12 inch, then you will get the answer in inch. Now, actual length of scale is 5 inch. And if we convert it into centimeter, then 5 inch is equal to 12 centimeter. Or if you want to convert it in millimeter, then it is 127 millimeter. So now we start to prepare the drawing. First of all, draw a horizontal line of length 5 inches. Here maximum length is 5 yards. So we have to divide this line into 5 numbers of equal division. That's why we have taken here initially actual length of scale equal to 5 inches. So if we want to divide 5 yards into 5 numbers of equal parts, then dimension for one part is equal to 1 each. So it becomes convenient and easy to divide it into 5 numbers of equal parts. If you want to take 12.7 centimeter, then you require to draw a reference line from this point, and by applying that procedure also you can divide this line into 5 numbers of equal parts. So now let's divide this line into 5 numbers of equal parts. Here also first unit we have to mark as 0. After that, towards right side of this 0, write down the units 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the division for the biggest unit, and that is yard. So these are the units for yard. Now towards left side of this 0, we have to take the unit, that is smaller unit, foot, and 1 yard equal to 3 feet. That's why we have to divide this first division into 3 numbers of equal division. Divide this first division into 3 numbers of equal parts. Towards left side of 0, write down the division number in increasing order 1, 2 and 3. So these are the 3 divisions for this first division. Third unit is inch, and 1 foot equal to 12 inches. So here on this vertical line we have to take the smallest unit, and that is inch. And relation between foot and inch, here unit is foot, here we are going to take the unit inch, and 1 foot equal to 12 inches. So we have to divide this line into 12 number of equal parts. Now the question is, what should be the height of this line? It should be selected in such a way that you can easily divide it into 12 numbers of equal parts. For example, if you take height of this line as 12 centimeter, then if you want to divide it into 12 parts, so 1 centimeter is equal to 1 part. If you take this height as 60 mm, 6 centimeter or 60 mm, then dimension of one part is 5 mm. Then also it can be divided into 12 parts. So it depends on your choice, and it also depends on the relation between the unit, how much parts we have to make for this line. From that data, we can select proper height of this vertical line. So write down unit here, biggest unit is yard, then foot. In middle, always write down RF is equal to 1 by 36. These are the 12 divisions of this vertical line. Unit is inch. Now complete this rectangle as shown here. Complete this rectangle. Then from each and every division of this bigger unit, draw a vertical line throughout the scale from division number 0, 1, 2, 3. So these are the vertical lines, and from these all division numbers starting from 1, from all division numbers, draw the horizontal line throughout the scale as it is shown here. From each and every division we have to draw the horizontal line throughout the scale. Division number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Thus horizontal line is drawn throughout. Now consider these units. Here last division number is 3 and second last division number is 2. So always consider second last division. It is division number 2. Join this division number 2 to the uppermost corner on this side. So here it is shown how you have to join it. Always second last division is to be joined with the uppermost left side corner. Then it is division number 1. From division number 1, draw a line parallel to this previously drawn line. So it is parallel to this line. Then from division number 0. So all these lines are parallel to each other. Remember that from each and every division you have to draw these parallel lines. Now drawing of this diagonal scale is completed. It is first part of the question. Second part is show 3 yards, 2 feet and 9 inch on the scale. So first consider 2 feet and 9 inch. Here it is unit for foot. So from that select 2. Consider this line and unit for each 9 inch. These are the units for which is 9 inch is here. So it is a point where 2 foot and 9 inch intersects. So it is a first point. Now from bigger unit select 3 yards. These are the units for biggest unit. 3 yard is here. So consider this vertical line. Second point on this line is here. Now the length between these 2 points is the required dimension, that is 3 yards, 2 foot and 9 inches. The second part is also completed. So always you have to remember the relationship between the units. Then also you require to remember 2 formulas for the scale. Then it becomes easy to prepare diagonal scale or it may be plane scale. Thank you very much for watching.